Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unmerge two cells in Excel without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many merged cells. Now we want to unmerge the multiple cell. At first, select the cell. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center drop down menu. We can see here many options. Now I am select merge unmerged cell option. Then we can see we unmerge the cell easily. Now I am select this cell and click the home menu and choose unmerged cell option. Now we can see we unmerge the multiple cell or two cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.